初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I want to buy a movie ticket.
I want to buy a movie ticket.
我想买一张电影票。
I want to buy a movie ticket.
I want to buy a movie ticket.
What movies are showing today?
What movies are showing today?
今天上映什么电影？
What movies are showing today?
What movies are showing today?
What time does the movie start?
What time does the movie start?
电影什么时候开始？
What time does the movie start?
What time does the movie start?
How much is one ticket?
How much is one ticket?
一张票多少钱？
How much is one ticket?
How much is one ticket?
Do you have student discounts?
Do you have student discounts?
有学生折扣吗？
Do you have student discounts?
Do you have student discounts?
I would like to tickets, please.
I would like to tickets, please.
请给我2张票。
I would like to tickets, please.
I would like to tickets, please.
Can I choose my seat?
Can I choose my seat?
我可以选座位吗？
Can I choose my seat?
Can I choose my seat?
Is this seat available?
Is this seat available?
这个座位有人吗？
Is this seat available?
Is this seat available?
I want a seat in the middle row.
I want a seat in the middle row.
我想要中间排的座位。
I want a seat in the middle row.
I want a seat in the middle row.
I prefer a seat near the aisle.
I prefer a seat near the aisle.
我更喜欢靠过道的座位。
I prefer a seat near the aisle.
I prefer a seat near the aisle.
Do you have VIP seats?
Do you have VIP seats?
有 VIP 座位吗？
Do you have VIP seats?
Do you have VIP seats?
What time does the next show begin?
What time does the next show begin?
下一场什么时候开始？
What time does the next show begin?
What time does the next show begin?
How long is the movie?
How long is the movie?
电影时长多久？
How long is the movie?
How long is the movie?
Can I buy tickets online?
Can I buy tickets online?
可以在线购票吗？
Can I buy tickets online?
Can I buy tickets online?
Do you accept mobile payment?
Do you accept mobile payment?
接受移动支付吗？
Do you accept mobile payment?
Do you accept mobile payment?
Where is the entrance to the cinema?
Where is the entrance to the cinema?
电影院入口在哪里？
Where is the entrance to the cinema?
Where is the entrance to the cinema?
May I see your ticket?
May I see your ticket?
可以看一下您的票吗？
May I see your ticket?
May I see your ticket?
Please show me the way to Hall 3.
Please show me the way to Hall 3.
请带我去3号厅。
Please show me the way to Hall 3.
Please show me the way to Hall 3.
Where is the popcorn counter?
Where is the popcorn counter?
爆米花柜台在哪里？
Where is the popcorn counter?
Where is the popcorn counter?
I want a large popcorn.
I want a large popcorn.
我要一大份爆米花。
I want a large popcorn.
I want a large popcorn.
I need a small soda.
I need a small soda.
我要一小杯汽水。
I need a small soda.
I need a small soda.
Do you sell hot dogs?
Do you sell hot dogs?
有卖热狗吗？
Do you sell hot dogs?
Do you sell hot dogs?
How much is this combo?
How much is this combo?
这个套餐多少钱？
How much is this combo?
How much is this combo?
Can I bring food inside?
Can I bring food inside?
可以带食物进去吗？
Can I bring food inside?
Can I bring food inside?
Please keep quiet during the movie.
Please keep quiet during the movie.
观影时请保持安静。
Please keep quiet during the movie.
Please keep quiet during the movie.
Turn off your mobile phone.
Turn off your mobile phone.
请关闭手机。
Turn off your mobile phone.
Turn off your mobile phone.
Where is my seat number?
Where is my seat number?
我的座位号在哪里？
Where is my seat number?
Where is my seat number?
Is the movie in English?
Is the movie in English?
电影是英文的吗？
Is the movie in English?
Is the movie in English?
Are there Chinese subtitles?
Are there Chinese subtitles?
有中文字幕吗？
Are there Chinese subtitles?
Are there Chinese subtitles?
Do you have 3D glasses?
Do you have 3D glasses?
有 3D 眼镜吗？
Do you have 3D glasses?
Do you have 3D glasses?
Can I return the glasses after the movie?
Can I return the glasses after the movie?
看完电影可以归还眼镜吗？
Can I return the glasses after the movie?
Can I return the glasses after the movie?
The sound is too loud.
The sound is too loud.
声音太大了。
The sound is too loud.
The sound is too loud.
The screen is too dark.
The screen is too dark.
屏幕太暗了。
The screen is too dark.
The screen is too dark.
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
洗手间在哪里？
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Let's take a picture in front of the poster.
Let's take a picture in front of the poster.
我们在海报前拍张照吧。
Let's take a picture in front of the poster.
Let's take a picture in front of the poster.
The movie was very exciting.
The movie was very exciting.
这部电影非常精彩。
The movie was very exciting.
The movie was very exciting.
I really liked the ending.
I really liked the ending.
我非常喜欢这个结局。
I really liked the ending.
I really liked the ending.
That was a funny scene.
That was a funny scene.
那个场景很有趣。
That was a funny scene.
That was a funny scene.
Do you recommend another movie?
Do you recommend another movie?
你能推荐另一部电影吗？
Do you recommend another movie?
Do you recommend another movie?
When is the next release coming?
When is the next release coming?
下一部什么时候上映？
When is the next release coming?
When is the next release coming?
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。